So, where are we going today? Are we going laning? Are we going racing? Or are we just going off-roading? How are we doing, Dean?
We're all good, we're all good. Ready for today?
Dean's ready to rock and roll, ready for today. Let's go and have some fun. A bit brave first thing in the morning. Oh, a bit of a muddy one. He's gonna go risk it for a biscuit straight through. Keep going, lad, keep going. Oh yeah.
Second ride after 30 years.
This is his second ride after 30 years and he's giving it some beans today. Go on, lads, just don't stop. Is that going down, that bro, or up? Oh, you were going up it? Good lads, well, you had a good go. Saying, Jamie?
Yes.
Are you enjoying yourself?
Oh yeah.
Good morning, crew. Yes, yes. We are out for another blast on our bikes. Today we are going off-roading. I think there's about 2 or 3 of us going for a little ride out local. If you've got lanes that are close to you or off-road sections that are close to you that you tend to have a little bit of fun on, comment below, let us know where you play, and one day we might join you and have some fun. One of the best things about going off-road, and it costs you next to no fuel only. Yes, yes. What's your name, bro?
David.
This is David. He's going to be on YouTube soon.
Right, nice one.
David's working at a local building site up there and he's just opened the gate up for us, so we can rock and roll today.
Just have fun then.
Nice to meet you, David. Yes, yes.
Why
So I'm here at the designated meeting point. I'm half an hour early, but we got one guy to rock up already. Yes. Dean, yes, in the house. How are we doing, Dean?
We're all good, we're all good. Ready for today?
Dean's ready to rock and roll, ready for today. Let's go and have some fun. The rest of the boys have arrived. Yes, yes, Jamie. What's your name, bro? James. Nice to meet you, James. 4 of us so far. And the 5th one has arrived. We've got Gaz. Yes, yes. How are you, bro? You alright? Thank you. A bit brave first thing in the morning. Yes, yes. We all know I'm shit scared of downhills, but we've just got to fucking go sometimes, right? Alright, let's lead us to figure of 8 from here, yeah? hope he don't roost me. Oh, a bit of a muddy one. He's gonna go risk it for a biscuit straight through. Keep going, lad, keep going. Oh yeah. Gaz, I believe, has just started riding. Oh, just getting back into riding, should I say. So this is like Jamie's back garden. Knows it like back of his hand. Nice warm up. So years ago, when I used to go out riding on roads with my other pals, we'd be tonking it everywhere on super bikes. But I'm out with these guys and I'm not even doing 30 mile an hour, and I'm absolutely living life right now. So this is where we grew up pretty much. As kids, having a go at people's motorbikes, and nobody wanted to teach me because they were all scared I'd be doing something fucking crazy. I remember a guy called Leon McAvoy and Nicky McAvoy that would help me out and teach me how to ride. Thank you very much for getting into the bike scene. And I bet you never thought that I'd be riding like this now, eh? Can't get lost here, go straight. Oh, close, nearly a big brick. Thank you. Oh yeah, no. Nice little manoeuvre. Did it hear you? Yeah. Did you catch it? No, I just got it. nice little blast so far. We're having a bit of a rest. Dino wants a kind of Red Bull to give him some wings when he's flying later. I know we're going to be hitting some more off-road sections. Yes, yes. Quick little tree bait with the boys. Spending his hard-earned dollars in the local shops.
Yes, yes.
So this is Gary. Gary says, how long have you not ridden for?
Second ride after 30 years.
This is his second ride after 30 years and he's giving it some beans today.
Age 55.
55 years old and he's
Catching
building his
up with
confidence back up and he's going to have some fun with us guys today. This is James. What are you on? Got a two-stroke?
Yeah.
He's the only guy in a two-stroke today, everyone else is busting out the four-strokes. We alright? You having a good day so far? How long have you been riding for?
About 14, about 50 odd years.
Yeah man. And have you just recently got back out? Have you always been out?
I've got a track every week.
MXing. So this guy just does a bit of MX riding, which does definitely gives you a lot more confidence. We're gonna have to check one of them tracks out soon. So if you've got any advice on where to go close to Yorkshire, give us an heads up.
A couple of weeks ago, before Christmas.
Going that way. Going left. You see, there's a lot of speculation with people on these off-road bikes, green laning. People saying that all they do is just race everywhere, nuisance to the people. We're not upset anybody so far today. And we're not terrorising absolutely anywhere. Just enjoying yourself. Tootling about. So we're going to tackle this little lane. There's a ford at the end of it. Let's see how full it is, and if we can tackle it, we'll tackle it. If we can't, then we won't. Alright, I reckon it's doable. We'll be alright, that. Who wants to go it? Dean, you're brave. Me go first. Anyone want to go first? It's going. Ah, beautiful. Jamie's going. Go on lads, just don't stop. It's going, we've done it. Good morning mate, you alright? Vlogging, and the reason why I started in the first place is try to influence people to get out of the houses and have a little bit of fun. If you're watching this video and are thinking about buying a bike, get yourself out, get yourself to that shop, go and buy it, and you won't regret it, 100%. Yes, yes. This road at the bar to it now is absolute cobbly road. Awful in your car. Fucking van bounces all over the shop. Check this out. Not too bad with the suspension on a bike, but bloody hell in a car, it's awful. Or a van. I certainly won't be taking sports car down here. No chance. Ain't no stopping us now. We're on the move. Yeah, yeah. Some of you all know this little spot. Beautiful place in the world. This place is called Keighley. And there's a road here where people come to where it looks like you're going, if you're in a car, you sit on it and it looks like you're going uphill, but you're not. You're going back, you go backwards and you're actually facing uphill, which is weird. Just up at a place called Keighley Gate with the boys, chilling out. These boys are having the cigarette break, giving them a bit of energy. There he is, rolling it up. Yes, yes. Thank you, love. You know where we are, comment below. Yeah, all over. Remember this little bad boy? Let's go. Stay to the right. I know you do it. Stay to the right. Oh, it's going.
Got him on telly.
Yeah, let's get this. To the rescue. I knew someone would take it to the left. That's what I did first time round. Fucked it.
Ah,
Are you trapped? I ain't pulling you out unless you say yes, yes. Right.
Hands going in water.
Oh, fuck it. Let's get muddy. Right, Alex. You stick to it right. I did exactly what you did. Well, let's bounce it. Bounce front wheel to here. There you go.
Yes, yes.
My man. My man.
Okay, now, man.
Ah. Fucking roosted me. Alright, we've got Gav. Go on, Gav, get all across. This is it, honestly, bro. Stay to the right hand side of that. Don't go over the plank. Go on, Gav. You alright, lad? Beautiful. Hey! Yes, yes, crew, we're on fire. Down. Oh, guys are down. Gary's on his arse, chatting up the walkers, the local walkers.
That's his first off.
So if you know where we are, comment below. What area is that? Saying, Jamie?
Yes, yes.
Are you enjoying yourself?
Yeah, loving it.
Are you alright?
Yes.
Living life?
You know it.
What are you saying, bro? Oh, he's got some arm pump going on. That bit were a bit of a technical arm section. They're going to spend his money in weight shop and it's shut. There'll be a butcher's in this little village, won't there?
There's only a walk there with the sandwich shop that's roundabout door.
We'll follow you, yeah. So we've stopped at Co-op. They've got nothing for us, no cups of teas, so we're having a Subway, steak and cheese. Yes, yes. How you doing, bro? You alright?
Where you going, Keighley?
No, we've just been out. We're just on our way to Subway to get some food and then we'll go from there. We've been out all morning. So normally when we're learning, we like to go to non-commercial places, but they're all shut today, unfortunately. So we're checking out Bradford. Yes, yes. That boy's outside is a beautiful sight. So my camera mount on my GoPro's snapped off. Luckily it snapped off in a car park, so it's not too bad, but we've come back to one of these quarries to have a little bit of a play, a couple of hills. Let's see how we get on. So he thought he wasn't going to get on camera, this gadget, but we caught him. We got him. Is that going down, that bro, or up? Oh, you were going up it? Good lad. Well, he had a good go. I would have never in a million years tried to go tackling that shit. Last year, no chance. See if we can have a go, eh? So first time I shot straight up it, and then second time I got right to the top. Luckily I'm alright. That's the bit I was trying to aim for, but it's quite slippy that. So we've had a nice little blast out around Bradford, oltly, ilkley, Keighley. Time I wash the bikes, go and get ready for the boxing event tonight. Yes, yes. If you're interested in one of the Yes Yes Crew tops, get yourself on yesyescrew.com and go to our shop, our online shop, and purchase yourself one of these. We're discounting them down to 30 quid, and get yourself a top, take a picture, get it on the comments below, and hopefully one day we'll get out with a ride out with you guys. Yes, yeah.